Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove background with PicsArt application. So here you just need to open your PicsArt application. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and after we open we need to wait until it's perfectly open. The next thing we need to do is just go click this plus button, and we need to pick the picture that we want to remove the background from. So here let me try to find the picture that I would like to remove the background from. Let's say here this is the picture that I would like to remove, or I think I would like to pick another one. This one is perfect. Now the next thing we need to do is just go take a look on this bottom side here, and then you just need to like drag this side into the left side until you find the cutout. So you just need to go click this cutout. The next thing you need to do, because since the PicsArt application has completed with the modern technology, you just need to click what type of object that you want to keep here. Here I would like to keep the person, so just go click the person. And after you're done, you can also get the preview by go click this part. And here after you remove the background. And if you're dealing with it, you just need to go click save. And now we already got this type of picture without any background, so you just need to go click download so that they will be like saved into your photo library. And then let's just check it. Go back into your home screen and open your photos, and here is the result. This picture will have no background, so if you want to add another background, it's totally possible. So basically that is the way guys how to remove background with the PicsArt application. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.